うーん。
僕は自分の光から逃げた。今は全てが空っぽに感じる。あの炎を取り戻したい。
それはずっと消えていない。
Coffee guy here. Just waking up. 1/3 through the album. The Prima album. I'm scared. I have to accept things as life is, even if I have to finish up this album and have no new original songs from Kaze. Well, there's one that just released, but I'm not there yet. So that's 2026. I'm still in 2025. I Need You Back. I read the lyrics. I was shocked. This is about a boy-girl relationship. I'm just joking. We all know it's Fujikaze. A little deeper than that. So about someone missing their closeness to God, got stuck in the ways of the world. Has that ever happened to you? Probably more than once. I know it happened to me. I actually just came back from a revival in Maryland, USA. And that's what revivals are about, getting your belief in God back on track and stronger. Anyways, I've rambled enough. Here we go.
Back. Alright, I've been missing you bad. Alright, I had enough with this apathy. How long have I gone astray? My passion has died away. Oh God, please can we just go back?
I'm sure there's symbolism all over the place on this one, I would assume, but I don't know what it is yet. So let's continue.
Go back to those brighter days. I wasn't right. Yeah, I've been scandalous. I wasn't wise. Such an antagonist. It wasn't nice. I know, but I learned a lot, baby. Let me handle this again. I need you back. Yeah. Never wanted nothing like I want you. Tell me you'll be mine. I need you back. Yeah. Now it's
All right, so if you're thinking, well, that's just a crazy hair dude there, no one's ever done it, then you don't know the flock of seagulls, because that hairdo has been done.
not the time to die. I must be alive. Na 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 na. No, it's not the time to die. I'm alive. Where have you gone? I'm all alone. Yes, I've been here living on my own. How can I go on without you coming home? I wasn't right. Yeah, I've been scandalous. I wasn't wise. Such an antagonist. I know, but I learned a lot, baby. Let me handle this again. Just once again. I need you back.
right. So once again, you watch the video, you're just overwhelmed by everything. I wonder if he does these things so complicated so that we can try to figure out what the heck's going on. So, got that Mardi Gras feel from one place. Looked like a Michael Jackson outfit on that one girl. I'm sure there's so many things going on there that he's trying to tell us. Don't know if I'll do like I did with It's Alright, 4 different videos, but I might do one talking about everything. Makes me smarter. I like to be smart. Very good. Upbeat song. Happy song. Just because someone is yearning to be back closer to God. My wife's always trying to get me to do more of that. So I can relate. Other than that, not bad. It's right in the middle. There were 3, the lower 3, which, oh, by the way, for those of you who said You was your favorite song, of course, Kase's not just speaking to me, he's speaking to everybody. So he has that ability to have such a knowledge of the last 8, 9 decades that he can put a song in that will reach certain people to get his message across. So I love that you guys shared that with me. It meant a lot to me. Thank you to you.